move on. Once we have this system, we rely on the Google Ad Manager. The Google Ad Manager is the ad server coming from, provided by Google, and obviously this is the new brand. Before it was the DoubleClick for Publisher. And we think this is the best solution for our business because we are even able to set up the Ad Manager in 2 different ways. The first one is self-service. In this case, we need an active AdSense account because based on this, we can help publishers to open their own Ad Manager. ExMarketPlace can help publishers to create their own account on Ad Manager. We need an admin access so we can set up everything correctly for them. And in the end, we need also to do some training, some sessions with the publisher so we can explain them what's the best setup for this platform. There are some pros, obviously, like the transparency, because they can always access to the platform. They can see what we are doing. They can see our optimization and our custom features, our custom setups. They can also be autonomous to set up any kind of campaign. So if they have direct campaigns coming from their buyer, they can set up everything on their hand. And in the end, they keep growing the business with Google because they are still working directly with Google. Obviously, there is a disadvantage in this case that is the time consuming, because I think that it's very expensive in terms of resources to set up everything correctly. On the other hand, the second scenario is the fully managed solution, where we provide everything to the publisher. We provide our Ad Manager with all the products inside. So there is no effort on the trafficking because publishers can rely on our team delivering all sorts of campaigns. So if the publisher has a direct campaign, you can simply give us all the ad elements and we can optimize the setup to have the best yield back. There are also some special features on our Ad Manager. These are some products that are available to the biggest publisher, but when we open at day one the new Ad Manager, we cannot have all of these. So the first one is the Audience Suite, for instance. The Audience Suite is fundamental because it changed the criteria for the targeting of the campaigns. The Ad Manager is an ad server, so basically you can set up campaigns on browser, geography, connection, or whatever. I used to call this the technical metrics. The Audience Suite is very important because it changed, obviously, the targeting criteria. It's based on the audience, so we can set up a campaign on the interest of the users. If you have a general website and you have a client looking for sport, you can even decide to deliver the campaign across the network using this filter. Inside of this module, there are all the data management platforms. They are around 300,000, if I'm not wrong. So there are many opportunities to extend the business with clients. The second one is the exchange bidding dynamic allocation. This is a great solution for the header bidding, and we will see later on all the aspects of this platform. Then we have the optimized pricing. This is a beta, so it has been released, I think, in the last 2 weeks. And it's based on the artificial intelligence of Google. And thanks to this solution, publishers can adapt the minimum price of the auction to increase the final yield, the final revenues. We have created the same many times ago, and it's based on our own solution for the artificial intelligence. I don't see any cons, any disadvantage in this scenario. But obviously, if you have one, just let us know so we can work on this.